Hey guys, welcome back. A quick one today. We're going to talk about 3D printed rings. Okay, I'm going to switch over here to my desktop view and show you a little bit closer view of these. I printed these on the Bamboo X1 Carbon. It is a multicolored print. This one happens to be black and white. And this one happens to be black and a green. That green's kind of hard to see against the black, which is crazy to me. Same with this one. This is the one I wear actually quite a bit. This one is a black and blue. I've worn this one for about a month, and you can see it's taken a little bit of abuse on the edges, but I am really kind of surprised at how well these are holding up. So many people would say, well, why would you want a 3D printed ring? Well, number one, I mean, I have a gold wedding band that I've had for about 30 years, and it is so deformed and out of shape, it really kind of irritates my fingers. So I said, why not 3D print one? I've been watching a lot of 3D printed content, and I see these other makers that have these 3D printed rings, and I'm like, well, why not solve my problem? I've tried ring sizers, I've tried all that on my gold band. It didn't work. So I went to this, and actually I'm happy with it. Now, I did try a couple in TPU. Let me grab those real quick. I would like to perfect the TPU problem that I have, but I haven't been able to do that yet. Still working on that. This was the first one I printed, and I just marked it with marker, so I knew that it was my first one. This is another one I printed right here. I coated that one in epoxy, trying to see what that would be like. It's really hard to get these coated evenly in epoxy, so if you have any tips or tricks on that, let me know. I would like to figure that out. Anyway, leave a comment. Here is one in TPU. You can see, like, it's really super flexible. Like, this would be a great one for the gym or something if you're working out lifting weights, so you don't hurt your finger with it, with a plastic or the gold or whatever you have pressing in on it. This one's stringy as anything because this has this. Here's one in PLA. It has this pattern in it that has holes, which is really cool. And this one's a little more flexible, super thin. I used an OpenSCAD ring generator for the first versions of these. These I just did up in my slicer to get the multicolor setting on these. Well, hey guys, just future me jumping in here real quick. I was going to also try this clear nail polish on here. As I said, that epoxy didn't work out. So I'm going to give this a shot and we'll see how it turns out. I mean, at least that way, you know, you can touch it up yourself every now and again if you like the way it turns out. Well, there we are. The beauty of this is it dries pretty fast, so I'm going to let this dry for a bit. Got a little on my finger, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, I like the glossy look that this gives, so that's a plus. I'm just going to have to wear it for a few days, see how it holds up, but I think this could be maybe one of the solutions we try to making these things look just a little bit shinier. Let me pull this one and let you get a close-up of one I've been wearing. It's been over a month now. It's taken a little bit of a beating. I think you guys can see there. There's like white marks in it all through here, and scratches and such. I mean, that's going to be inevitable, right? It's just a PLA ring, but man, it's held up so much better than I ever thought. I mean, this really is kind of this is a possibility, right? This one I'm wearing here is TPU. I know you guys can laugh, but I was lifting some weights today, and this thing's awesome for like gym type stuff. Right here, it is just so flexible. So anyway, we'll test it, see how it works. Hey guys, that's all we have for today. Just a quick one. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Check back. I'm going to do a lot of update on these. And we'll just keep watching, keep trying different things, and see how it turns out. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you soon.